G'day and welcome to the first video on Chapter 6. This is a continuation of our calculus series, I guess. The first, Chapter 5, and all the videos for Chapter 5 are on the skills of calculus, skills of differentiation. And Chapter 6 is all about application. How do we use it in various different contexts. Now 6.1 is fairly straightforward. It's simply looking at the rates of change, and the two different types of rates of change are, the average rate of change and the instantaneous rate of change. We've sort of looked at this before, but here's just a summary of it. So let's look at the average rate of change first. It's the rate of change between two distinct points, and the way that we can work that out is by using the gradient between 2 points. Or doing y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or another way of putting that is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now this is not the limit one that we've looked at before. This is just when h is a number, any number. The limit one is more the instantaneous rate of change. Okay, so average rate of change is simply getting the gradient between 2 points. Okay, often we use the word chord, find the gradient of the chord or something like that. So it's between the two different points that we've got. Instantaneous rate of change is basically the rate of change at one particular point. This is the gradient at one point as it approaches the next point. So to work out the instantaneous rate of change, we do the derivative, or f dash x, or dy dx, or sometimes just d dx. But it's also this the limit as well, which we've looked at in the previous topic. So limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Essentially, that's all you'd need to know for 6.1. It's just the applications of these two ideas, instantaneous rate of change and average rate of change. The next video will look at stationary points and the nature of particular stationary points as well. So thanks for watching.